So happy New Year, guys. This coming week, I have some lookouts. So I'll be sharing some of my setup this week. What am I expecting? So let's see how it goes. Okay, I guess the network is very bad. That's it will look okay. They should come here. All right. So this what I'm looking at for this coming week. So sorry, let me turn this upside down. Okay. So looking clearly, this is on GBP USD. We are bullish. We are bullish. Whatever is happening now is just a correctional move. Okay, we are bullish. So looking at this, we are very bullish. So I'm looking for a continuation move on 15 minutes time frame. All right. So whatever is happening here, I'm seeing it as inducement. I'm expecting price to come to this point, and then I'll buy. Okay, I'll buy to the upside. So what is happening here is just an inducement. To me, this is an inducement. Okay, you see this guy here. This is not a good. This is not a good. So to me, this is an inducement. So I'm waiting for price this coming week to come to this point. All right, then I'll buy. Then I'll buy back to the upside. If that doesn't happen, all right, and maybe price comes and break this point. If price comes and just break, if price breaks this demand here, this is a demand zone here, 15 minutes, my price breaks it, then I'm looking for a retest to the upside. All right, I'm looking for a retest to the upside. Sorry, what am I doing now? I'm looking for a retest to the extreme zone, this extreme supply zone here, then I'll keep selling. All right, so this is what I'm looking at for on Gbpusd. So I was selling it to this point. Then when it gets to that point, I'll also look for a buyback to the upside for the overall movement. All right, so these are the two setup I have. This is for Gbpusd. Then let's me check for good. Okay, this is good. So last week, this was the area I was expecting gold to come into. Came into this place and it started reacting. You can see it's reacting. So it may do this a little bit, then we continue to upside. All right. So these are the setup I have this coming week. So, but if price breaks this low, this demand here, if price breaks it, then and clear this level here, this psychological level here, I wait for a retest and I wait for continuation. These are what I'm expecting. Okay, so it depends what price does, but if price continues going up, I'll then be looking at this extreme supply here, which is this guy here, to sell. All right, to sell. So that's for that guy. I don't have any setup for this guy, but I have a setup for USD JPY. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting on this coming week. All right, so this is what I'm expecting this coming week. So for price to come into this point, then I look for my buy back to the upside. All right, but if price also breaks that's demand level there, then my next target will be, if price breaks this demand here, this one here, I'll then exercise patience. Price comes into this extreme demand area, then I'll buy. All right, so these are my setup for this coming week. All right, so you don't have to rush it, you just have to exercise patience. Okay, just exercise patience for it to happen. So yeah, okay, so just have to exercise patience. In this game, patience is key. All right, you don't need to rush. So this number one setup. This was the setup I was in Hero AUD. So you have more opportunity to buy again. All right, so I'm still buying. I'm still looking for buys. All right, I'm still looking for buys. So then for this guy, this is a setup for this week, and also for gold, this is setup for this week. We continue buying, keep buying, target this guy here. All right, be there, target that guy there. But if this demand fails, this demand here fails, then maybe breaks down and take out this psychological level here, then we have to wait for a retest. All right, to the extreme supply that caused it, then a continuation. All right, so yeah, so that's this for this week, this coming week. Then when price gets to this point, based on confirmation, please confirm your trade. Use your confirmation before entry. When price gets to that supply there, we can look for a short time sell. All right, a short time sell. You can look for a short time sell. So yeah, so that's it. Tell me what you think about this setup this coming week, and let's see if we have the same setup this coming week.